Okay, good morning class 7. Today we are going to start a new topic, grammar topic, punctuation. This work you have to do in your grammar section. The top parts of punctuations are comma, list of which you can use in the sentences while presenting the phrases, or the list of words. The same list of words you have to use the comma to indicate that these are the separate words. Then the question mark. Question mark is used for the interrogatory sentence, like if you are asking something or somebody is asking any question, you have to use question mark. Then exclamation marks. Exclamation marks is basically used for representing the expression in the sentences, that hooray, ouch, these kinds of words you can use exclamation mark. Then the quotation mark, inverted commas. These are inverted commas are very important. This you have to use to quote the sentence. Like for example, if you are saying in your indirect, it will help you a lot. Like if you are, he said to come at 5 o'clock. To come at 5 o'clock is spoken by he said, so it should be highlighted in the inverted comma. Then apostrophe. Apostrophe, there are two types of apostrophe. One is apostrophe S, which represent Rani bag, for example. So Rani's bag, okay, it belongs to Rani's. Are not, are and not are two different words, but if we connect each other, it's are, and over here we use apostrophe. Then full stop in the end of the statement. Then capital letter in the beginning of the sentence or in the center of the sentence, but make sure that it should be a proper noun. Thank you. I have given you the explanation of punctuation. Now it's time for the exercise. These two sentences, I'll tell you how you have to solve, but rest of them you have to do it by yourself. You'll get the picture. Okay, punctuate and rewrite the following sentence. How you have to do? You have to write the sentence again, but using the punctuations. Second thing, this work you have to do in your grammar section. For example, we left for Agra yesterday. So over here, W or V will be capital. We left for Agra. Agra is the name of a place. It's a proper noun. So Agra, A capital. Agra, yesterday. Yesterday, and in the end, full stop. Got it? Then, what are remarkable victory? It's showing the expression, how the feeling that that victory about excitement. It's explaining this. So in this sentence, W of what will be capital, are remarkable victory. In the end, you have to put not full stop, you have to put exclamation mark to express the excitement of the state. Thank you.